So JDiction says this brush-on silicone mould stuff cures in 10 to 15 minutes, uses far less silicone than a poured mould. So we brushed it onto a couple of moulds to see whether or not it's any good or if it just gives us a very confident splodge.
Yeah.
Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So what else am I going to try it with other than turtles?
I know.
So I've got 3 different turtles. I've got this one I wanted to sort of inlay the back because it's got a really nice shell pattern.
With some little turtles on it.
With some little turtles on
Shocker.
it, yes. And I wanted the turtle coming out of the egg. And if I could get the other one as well, that would be absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
So I was really excited to use this. The instructions were really simple to understand. I was like, I've got this. I've got it. So first things first is you weigh it. So you mix 1-to-1, part A, part B by weight.
By weight, yep.
So I didn't want to go mad in my first pour.
Yep.
So I just made 24 grams of silicone.
Yep.
So 12 of A, 12 of B.
Yep, makes sense.
And then give it a good stir. And now I stirred it for a good 3 to 5 minutes.
Yep.
As per the instructions. And then, as per the instructions, I put it onto the turtle.
Yep.
And I was like, okay, this is fine. Now, I will say that stirring it really did make my hands ache. So if you've got sore hands, I don't know.
Get someone else to do it.
Yeah, get someone else to stir it because, Now, on the first turtle, as you can see, it was okay because it's a pretty flat turtle and it all just sat there, But the minute I put it on something where gravity got involved, it just dripped down.
Yeah.
Now, I thought, obviously, I'm doing something wrong here. So I reread the instructions. Now, nowhere does it say leave it for, 5 minutes to do anything. It's just literally mix it, stir it, stick it on the turtles, on the whatever it is you're moulding.
Yep.
In my case, let's be honest, it's always going to be turtles. And I was like, right, okay, well, I'm a bit confused. So I thought, okay, maybe it's because I've not used the brush that they lovingly provide. So I dug out the brush and give it a brush. And I was like, right. I then waited 15 minutes.
Okay.
And I'm not going to lie, cleaning that brush was a flipping nightmare.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness. And I remember thinking, this is not going well. I was questioning my life choices at this point.
Okay.
And thinking, why do I have such a curious mind? Why can't I just go, I'm going to make a pretty and be done? Why do I have to go, I wonder what? Well, let this be a lesson to everybody who has that mindset. Don't do it.
Yeah.
So this is still me.
Yep.
Fighting with gravity. Have a guess who won. I am brushing it on and it's dripping down. I'm getting it up and I'm putting it back on and I'm like, it's not like how I was expecting.
No.
At all.
No.
So this is the second tub of 24 grams that I've,
Yep.
had. And it's not a particularly nice texture to work with, to be honest.
What do you mean?
I didn't enjoy working with the texture of it. It's
okay.
like really thick snot.
Yeah. Yeah.
But if you've got a runny nose, it just drips down. Sorry for that really graphic representation.
It's not really thick then, would it? It'd be...
Well, it's like I just didn't. I wasn't enamoured by it at this point. And to be quite honest with you, when it was time for the next layer, I said to Kirk, nope, you can do it now. It's your turn.
This was you still.
No, it's not. That's your hands, my dear.
Oh, it is, yes.
And you know how you know they're your hands?
Because the black gloves.
Well, there's that. And the fact that the arms connected to them are very hairy.
I was distracted by the clean desk. That's what it was. Didn't recognise
I
it.
did clean your desk before
Yeah.
you did this. That was
So-
good of me, wasn't it?
I had a go, and I tried a couple of different things. And I do have a theory
Oh, go on then.
why it didn't
Go on.
go to plan.
Go on then.
Okay. Now, I've got the scoopy thing, and I'm just blobbing it on there,
As per the instructions.
and it's running down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But I think that what we were doing, the layer was too thick. I think we were putting way too much on for the first couple of layers. I think we should have done a little bit thinner.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you that, but here's the thing. We didn't, and
No.
at no point does it say do
No.
super thin layers.
What I also tried was I mixed it, and then I left it for a couple of minutes in the tub just to let it thicken up a little bit, start curing.
Yep.
And then I put it on there, and it still kept running down.
Yep.
So obviously it wasn't, my theory wasn't working.
No.
And while I'm fighting with gravity, just wanted to say a quick thank you to our Glitterati members for supporting us and allowing us to make sticky messes just like this.
Yeah.
And you get an extra special thank you very much.
I was going to do the thank you very much then.
Go on then.
No, I'm not doing it
No,
now.
I think you should.
Thank you very much.
Tar
Ta.
very much.
Ta very much. Yeah.
So, yeah, in the end, I didn't record this bit, but I basically...
Why didn't you record it? Did you forget to switch it on?
No, I just didn't record it. I think it was... I've had enough of this. I'm going to stick
Honestly,
the turtle in a cup.
This stuff we fought with so bad.
Yeah, as you can tell, there's more on the bottom. I have seen videos of people using it, and their molds turn out great, but they use little molds or little things that they make a mold of.
Yeah, but that's not how it's.
No,
that's
I know,
not how
I
it's
know.
portrayed.
But
It's,
I still think maybe it's because the first
but
few
it doesn't.
layers
It doesn't say that. It
were
does
too
not
thick.
say that.
I know it doesn't say that.
It doesn't say use super thin layers. It says mix it, brush it. That's what I did.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this mold was basically, at this point, I was like, please do not break my turtle, because I got these turtles while we were on holiday last year in Greece.
Yep.
And I'd have sobbed if I'd have broke the turtle.
You just have to have gone back and get another one.
Well, we're going to go back and get another one anyway, because I need the other colours. So, yeah, I was like, that's a pile of rubbish.
Well, I don't know. I mean, you've got the gist of the turtle
no,
there.
what I actually did is I cut the shell out. So I've got a shell inlay.
Isn't that the one you wanted the inlay of?
No, that's the one I wanted the whole mould for.
Okay.
So it's completely rubbish. So what I do is I look at it and I thought, actually, it's got a really good imprint of the shell. So I cut the shell out.
Yep.
So I've got a perfect turtle shell inlay.
Yeah.
So it wasn't all, every cloud has a silver lining.
Yeah.
This was this one.
I think we figured out how not to use this stuff.
Yeah. This is a do not use it this way.
No.
I mean, have you used it? Because if you have, drop me a note in the comments and tell me exactly what I did wrong, because I would genuinely be quite interested, but I just did not get on with it.
I might give it another go.
Well, you can't.
Oh, it's all gone.
No, I gave it away.
Oh, okay. I'm not going to give it another go, but I think that it was
But
our application.
no, because it was you. You did most of it.
You started
Now,
off.
this here is the inlay. Now, it did do this very well. It has made a perfect little inlay of the back of the turtle.
Yeah.
So I was really pleased with that. And then this is my
This is the one coming out of the shell.
yeah. And I was like, I think he may have lost it forevermore. I was definitely cursing you at this point.
You said you really wanted that one.
I really
I was
did.
determined.
No, I did really want this one, but to be honest, I think I'd have probably just put it in regular silicone. It would have been a lot more efficient.
Well,
A lot more
Yeah.
efficient.
Yeah.
So, and I'd have got a nice smooth edge as well. So, you can see that the actual mould didn't mould well at the base. I couldn't even get it out.
I know, yeah, you needed a hand.
Well, it took two of us. I was like, this is just not happening.
There you go.
But he came out and he was fine. So I was very happy. I was like, yay. Cecil's okay.
Cecil?
Yeah.
Cecil the turtle?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's wrong with that?
Nothing's wrong with that.
Listen, you call everything Eric.
Yeah.
That's Cecil. Leave him alone. He'll hear you. Though you can see there's like a hole at the top. So I thought, right, I'm going to have to trim that because knowing me, I'll put resin in it. Forget that bit's there and it will all just come out the side. So at this point I thought, right, I'm going to make it and see how it comes out.
Yeah.
So I got two of the little, I mixed up 40 mils of resin. And then into one pot, I put some interference violet.
Yeah.
And into the other one, I put some shocker purple.
Shocker.
Pearl purple from Let's Resin.
Yeah.
Because I quite like that colour. Although, let's be honest, there's not a purple I haven't met that I don't like. So, and then I just add the purple first.
Yep.
Give it a good squidge around. Oh, I forgot to say, this is 24 hours later, so it's had a good 24 hours to...
And to be fair, it did sit in that mould
for quite some time. Yeah, because neither of us could face using it. So, and this is the next day. This is the demould. So I was thinking, let's just see. And I was quite surprised.
Ooh.
If I'm honest.
Okay. Now you managed to demould this one easier.
I did. This one came out a lot easier. And it actually came out pretty good. It's a lot shorter than the original because I had to cut
to trim the base.
So much of that one off.
Yeah.
It does
it's a bit rough around the edges.
It is. It does need quite a bit of tidying up.
Yeah.
Which I do. But it's actually not a bad replica. I still feel, and this is my personal opinion, I still feel that with hindsight, I'd have been better off just making a standard silicone mould.
Yeah.
And I'm probably going to do that anyway, because that's like a little short bit and I want a full size bit, you know.
It's a stumpy turtle.
It's a stumpy turtle egg. Yeah. And I want the full size one. So I think I will probably end up just doing a standard mould.
Okay.
Because I really do like that turtle. It's very cute. And it's not technically a turtle mould, so it doesn't come under your ban.
Is there a turtle in there?
It's a baby turtle.
Doesn't matter. It's still a turtle.
Different. No, it's different. Baby turtles and turtles different.
They're exactly the same.
Well,
one's just a bit smaller.
Well, is it though?
Yeah.
No, that's a loophole. And I'm sticking to it. I am denied about whether or not to do a shell. Decided not to. Anyway, have you used this stuff and what did you think of it?
And what did we do wrong?
And what were we doing wrong? Do let us know in the comments, please. But if you've enjoyed this video, please do leave us a like or a hype if you've got any left and you think that it was interesting enough.
Yeah. And while you're down there, why not give us the subscribe, a little tickle as well? Yeah. And in a minute, YouTube will suggest another video for you to watch of ours that you might find as illuminating. Riveting stuff. Oh, yeah. It will be riveting, yes. Yeah. It will be riveting and full of information that you will find pertinent. Indeed. Yeah. Yes. And on that note, hopefully we will see you in the next one. Yeah. Take care. Bye for now. Bye for now.